Alright guys, here we are, another unboxing day. I got a few more boxes I have to unbox. That box you see back there, I don't know exactly what that is. I still have to unbox it. But in the meantime, I got a care package from Subaru Bros. I know what this is, so he sent me out a sample product that I think is on his website right now, but let's just get it out there. Yeah, let me just shut up. So, this is a new sample product that they're gonna be putting on their website. Let me just hide all this addresses and stuff for all you weirdos out there. All right. Oh, woo! There is a steering wheel. There you go. What kind of steering wheel, you ask? I don't know. I've never installed one of these before, so I don't know if this is going to be in the same video or a separate video, but yeah, you're going to see me probably struggle. I'm not going to cut anything out, so if I struggle with the install, you guys are going to see it. But I'm excited. That steering wheel. Been wanting an aftermarket steering wheel for a while now. All right, so I'm going to be careful opening this because I don't want to scratch anything. I got tools everywhere on the floor because I just got done doing an install. But, wow. All right, so I already have this in my hand and it already feels thicker. Oh, it already feels good in the hand. Wow. It was upside down. Oh, wow. Wow. Let's talk about, I'm really liking the way it feels. So let's talk about some of the options that they are offering right now. You can option it just like this, which is Alcantara, carbon fiber with the red stripe. Or you can get it just like this with leather or full Alcantara if you want. This red stripe is optional with any option that you like. I know it's a hit or miss for some of you guys. But yeah, I really like the red stripe. You know, really helps out. But I'm really liking the way it feels. So any questions, contact Subaru Bros. Their information is going to be down in the description below. So one of the things I recently just acquired was a new microphone to give you guys better audio. So if the audio sounds funky in this video, please excuse the bad sound. So here you go, Rode Wireless Go microphone. All right, so here we are, install day. We're gonna go ahead and install the carbon fiber steering wheel that was provided by Subaru Bros. So yeah, I've never done something like this and we'll see how it goes. I'll take you guys through the process. If I have any trouble, you guys are gonna see it. Try to keep this as raw as I can because that's one thing that you guys recommended that I do, just to keep things a little bit raw. One thing I still haven't done was still wash the car. The car still has all that road trip road grime on it. So, I don't know. It's gonna snow tomorrow. They say it is, but I don't think it's gonna be much snow, to be honest with you. But negative battery terminal, 10 millimeter, super duper easy. Can we push on it or pull on it? Oh, okay. So I just pushed it. It's one. There you go. Got it. Got that one. I'll turn this fucking camera off. Piss me off. All right, so as soon as I turn the camera off, I finally got it. Such a pain. So I know there's other install videos on other people doing this, but this is me installing it for the first time. I'm gonna take out the airbag. I don't think it matters which one you do first. Okay. Yes, this is for the horn. Oh, this looks weird without the airbag in there. So next thing we're gonna do, I guess we're gonna undo some of these clips. Hopefully you guys can see that. So everyone is saying to make sure to take good care of the clock spring because you don't want that going bad. Okay, so I think I'm free and clear of everything. I'm gonna take my 17. I think it's a 17. Well, that wasn't even on there very tight. So I think this is about 30 foot-pounds or so, I think. Oh, there you go. Just a little whack. That's all it needed. Okay, I'll set that in the cup holder. Careful. All that stuff. Steering wheel is out. Okay, so I guess the next part is to transfer some of this, or actually all of this stuff, onto the new steering wheel. Oh, cool, that wire was attached to there. So I'm just testing this type of install. If you guys like this type of install where it's raw, and I wouldn't say uncut because I have to cut it up so it's not 30 minutes long. But if you like this type, instead of the typical YouTuber edited type of video, well, let me know. You know, we'll keep things going, try to make things better. Looks like the screws are the same type. And we'll just, yeah. There's that. In theory, should come out now. So, probably want to pick these out. Okay. There's that. Let me transfer it over to the other side as we do this. Okay, there's that. First impressions of the new carbon fiber / Alcantara steering wheel that I got from Subaru. So big thanks to Subaru. If you're interested in a steering wheel like this, check out the link in the description below. It'll take you right to the website where you can order this yourself. So like I said before, there are different options of the steering wheel. You can get it with or without this red stripe. You can get it in full Alcantara. You can get it in Alcantara carbon fiber, or also leather if you don't want Alcantara and carbon fiber. A bunch of different options. If you're interested in getting a customized steering wheel, just hit up Subaru. He'll be sure to take care of you. My GoPro went out again, but oh well, it is what it is. But anyway, so far I'm liking the steering wheel. It feels really good in the hand. One thing that people note, people who have a similar steering wheel like this, note the thickness, especially at the bottom. The thickness of the steering wheel is very apparent, so I really like that. So compared to the stock steering wheel, it's night and day difference. So also one thing to note when gripping the steering wheel, you'll also notice these indentations for your thumbs at 9 and 3. So if you're the type of person like me who grips the steering wheel at 9 and 3, sorry, I'm not the type who holds my steering wheel like this. That's just not the way I drive. That's uncomfortable to me. But yeah, it has a nice indentations, but I'll touch on that later. Also, behind the steering wheel, you have indentations if you're the type who holds your steering wheel at the bottom, Subi Wave. It also has finger indentations down here at the bottom. But overall, nice overall grip. I'm really liking the thickness. So these thumb indentations for your thumbs. Sorry, I'm trying to talk and pay attention to the road at the same time. So overall, it's comfortable for me, although it's a little bit awkward my hands or my palms are over the indentations, which is where I like to hold the steering wheel. So like this, my thumbs are not actually in the indentation, so it might feel a little bit awkward. It's gonna take some getting used to. But the overall Alcantara, I really like it. It's nice, soft, and plush. I don't know if it's real Alcantara or a suede. I'm not exactly sure. I am not an expert when it comes to Alcantara suede, but the pile, as far as I can tell, it's nice and soft, but overall it still feels good. I'm pretty sure it's something that you can clean. Doesn't feel cheaper. If you guys saw my steering wheel cover, that material is actually shorter than this. But overall, it's nice and soft. It's really nice and comfortable. I love Alcantara. It's just, to me, that just makes the material, anything that you're touching, feels nice. And plus, the only downside of that is Alcantara or suede or micro suede is very delicate. So if you have dirty hands, oil and greasy hands, you might end up wearing down or damaging the material over time. But that's my quick first impressions of the Subi Bros steering wheel. Absolutely love it. And like I said, if you're interested, check out the link in the description below. And I will hope to talk to you guys later. If I helped you guys out in any ways, please hit that subscribe button. And I'm just gonna sit here and enjoy the view. As you can see, it snowed a little bit. It's snowing a little bit right now, but it's not sticking. But anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you guys later. Peace out, guys.